Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI, and if you're like me, you're always looking to save some storage space, and especially in my kitchen, but I am loving these collapsible sink bins from Tiawudi. They are so innovative. I love everything these days that has the silicone and that will save you some space. Very easily expand, as you can see. They hold 2.25 gallons and you get a set of two with the one that I bought. And so I love that because you can use one in the kitchen sink and one in the bathroom or wherever else that you need it. They are a soft silicone, so it's very easy to expand it and then fold it right back up. When I'm done doing my dishes, I just dry it right off. And I like it because the silicone doesn't stay greasy from the soap or from the food residue. They're really easy to wash clean. And again, I love that I got the set of two. This one is the bright orange, and then I also have the blue, which I have not even had to use yet. So definitely keeping that as a backup and saving myself some space so I don't have to look at my dish bin every time when I'm just walking through my kitchen. I can put it away and have it ready for the next time. These are really nice and durable and sturdy, great for washing dishes, but that's just my point of view.